Hello there, this is Micah, and this is the weekly Forex market update. In this video, we are looking at the USDCAD, AUDUSD, EURAUD, and EURCHF currency pairs. So let's get started right away. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. You know, they still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But you know, the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of you know, learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. You know, I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money, so I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, you know, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do. And I only give, on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really, you make a lot of money. You take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. Now we can see the USD currency pair. This is the daily time frame. Let's go to the monthly to see it's been looking like. Okay, we see what has been happening. It's in a big range, as you can tell from here, from this first bigger range, and then we can see this smaller range happening or occurring right there. Now the weekly time frame, what does it tell us? The same story. The weekly time frame is telling us the same story. Now for this, what should we expect? And what should we expect going forward? Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So what should we be looking at? Now first, if we get the market open, if we see the market open and then give us a bearish, and the market opens as an interaction with the 1.35694 zone and then gives us a bearish day close, I would expect that price should give us, should sell off from there, right? So if market gives us a bearish day close, it opens and gives us a bearish day close after coming in contact with the 1.35694 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close, then I would expect a sell from that point, right? At least a 1-to-1. That's what I'll be looking out for. Or let's say at most a 1-to-1, right, to be on a safe side, because this is a ranging market, and in a ranging market anything can happen. So you will see something similar over here. Let me quickly highlight that. Yeah, we see something similar over here, right? So we see that daily close. I hope you can see it. See that daily close, and then we see price sell off, right? This definitely did more than a 1-to-1 right there. So something as similar as this, if we get something similar to this day close that happened here, that happened on the, I believe that's the 14th of February 2024, and then we see what happened the next day using the daily time frame as our execution time frame on this particular analysis. I think that works, right? That's for the first scenario. Now for the second scenario, if price pushes higher, right, price pushes higher. Now for let's take a look at this one first. Now there's another zone high up here. That's the 1.35891 zone. Now if price comes into that zone and still gives us a bearish day close below that zone, we can also look out for an opportunity to sell the market. Go for a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation. Only take trades if they meet your confirmation, right? So now let's take a look at another scenario. If price just pushes higher into this zone, that's the 1.36503 zone, and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 as well, right? But if price doesn't do that, if price just pushes lower and comes to either of the 1.34556 or the 1.34224 zones, and if its price comes into either of those zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, right? So I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation. Go for a 1-to-1, take your profit, and move on to the next thing. So that's for the USD CAD currency pair. Let's go to the AUD-USD currency pair. Now for AUD-USD, what should we expect? Let's take a look at the monthly time frame first. Okay, so AUD-USD has also been in a range, Yeah, I can call this a range because we've not seen some serious directional moves in the market yet. We've not seen, something really serious or major in some months now. So now let's go to the daily time frame and see what to expect. Well, I would suggest that you look at these scenarios. If price comes to either of the 0.65981 or the 0.65782 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, right? If price gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy right there. If it meets your confirmation, go for a one-to-one buy. Don't forget the daily time frame is our execution time frame on this analysis, right? Now I'm in doubt if I would go for a bullish opportunity if price closes above this, right? Because I don't really see this as a sufficient extended move to hope for a continuation to the upside. So I'll just keep my fingers crossed on that, or let's say ignore that for now. And let's look at another scenario. If price comes into the 0.67779 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one. And the reason is simple. It is a ranging market, and you don't want to overstay your welcome in such markets. So go for a one-to-one and take your profit. And don't forget, only take any of these scenarios or trades if they meet your confirmation. Don't go beyond, what you know to work. What you know that works, right? So that's that for the AUD USD. Onto the AUD, Euro AUD rather. So let's take a look at the monthly time frame first. We can tell this is also in some kind of range. Market has not been given some serious directional moves. Weekly time frame to okay. Weekly time frame. What do we see? Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly time frame also has been in a major range as well. Now, what should we expect going forward? Well, we can see this bullish. The previous candle was a bullish one, so I think that's quite significant. Let's go to the daily time frame and see what's happening. So now, what am I going to suggest? I would suggest that if price comes into the 1.67539 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one. Right, go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio. Take your profit and be good. Go for a one-to-one if it meets your confirmation. But if price doesn't do that, if price comes to this zone, if price comes into the 1.63707 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would also suggest that you go for a one-to-one as well. Right, simple and straightforward on the Euro AUD currency pair. Right, don't forget, only take any of these trades if they meet your confirmation. Now also there's a scenario I want you to look at now. If price opens on Monday and gives us a significant day close below this, right? It gives us a significant day close below this. If price, opens and then interacts with this zone and gives us a significant day close, bearish day close below that zone, below the 1.65727 zone, then I would also expect you to go for a one-to-one. I would also suggest that you can go for a one-to-one if it meets your trading confirmation. Don't forget, don't take any trade that doesn't meet your trading confirmation. Nobody knows precisely, no human being by his own human knowledge knows precisely where the market is headed. Every professional trader only working with past data. They are only making predictions, uncertain predictions, a lot of them, so it's not so certain. So you have to be careful and make sure you trust your own strategy. So if it meets your confirmation, go for it. So that's that for the Euro AUD. Let's go to Euro CHF. Now let's start from the monthly time frame. Now what does it say? What does the monthly time frame say now? I don't think this chart has loaded. Okay, I think it does. So monthly time frame definitely bearish. We can see it's so clear. The market has been bearish for so long. For so long. You can see it right there. You can see the bearish moves right there. Now for the weekly time frame, what should we expect? Weekly time frame, same thing. The market is, the last week's candle was actually pointing downwards. So let's go to the daily and let's see what to expect. Now for daily, what should we expect? If price comes into the zone, if price comes into the 0.93065 zone and it gives us a bullish day close, if it gives us a bullish day close, I would suggest that you can go for a one-to-one, right? This is a very bearish market, so you don't want to overstay your welcome in this kind of scenario. Okay, you don't want to overstay your welcome in this kind of scenario, right? You can just go for a one-to-one buy right there and you'll be good. One-to-one and you'll be good, right? So now, what else? Well, if we see price push into either of the 0.94707 or the 0.94808 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one, or you go for a sell rather. I would suggest that you go for a sell in either of those scenarios because it's a good opportunity to take, considering the extended move and the major zone that it has come in contact, that it would have come in contact with, right? I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you can go for a one-to-one. You can also go beyond the one-to-one. You can take first profits at one-to-one risk reward ratio and hold till, you might also hold till price gets to the 0.94061 zone or even below that, whichever scenario, whichever way you want to trade. But don't forget, don't overstay your welcome. Even though it's a bearish market, it is still speculative because the market can change at any point in time. Yeah, so it's a bearish market and I favor more of sells than buys on the EURCHF currency pair. So that is that for the EURCHF currency pair. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer, you know. you get a whole lot more value than the 200 US dollars that you pay for it. So the premium forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get, your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.